One day, Alfred was waiting at Sunset Station to pick up passengers from Boris's train. So Alfred's driver climbed back down. But it was too late. Alfred was already gone. With a roar, Jelly chased after Alfred. But Jelly was just in time to see Alfred shove away. The passengers cheered for Jelly as he chased after Alfred one last time. Jelly's wheels were starting to hurt, but he kept on going. As Alfred steamed into the station, Jelly rolled alongside him. Then Jelly told Alfred what had happened. The passengers got in Alfred's coaches, and then the guard blew his whistle. Jelly went to go tell Boris that all was well.